Okay, y'all, so the first product I used was Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Dream Detangler. I used a generous amount, and I just lavendered my hair up with it. And I just let it sit for a little while, and I ended up detangling my hair a little bit and washing that out before I went in with my shampoo. I went in with my detangler first because I had my knotless braids in for 3 months, and this was the wash day after I took them out. So I knew that my hair was a little malnourished and needed some moisturizer put back into it. So that was the perfect thing to go in with. A lot of people have a lot to say about OGX Beauty. Personally, I've never had any complaints or concerns with them. It works perfect for my hair. I particularly use the curly one and the one that you just saw in this video. Works wonders for me. I use the shampoo and conditioner as a set. So, yeah. Like I said before, I had knotless braids in for 3 months, and this wash day was very much so needed. My hair was so filthy. It is very important to take care of your hair underneath your braids and your protective styles, ladies. I want to mention that a little goes a long way with all of the products that I am using. Do not overuse them and do not oversaturate your hair because it can damage your hair more than help it. So really do only use generous amounts unless you absolutely need a lot of the product. Make sure you're getting all of the products out of your hair. You'll see me wring my hair out a couple of times back to back just to make sure I'm getting all the conditioners and shampoos out, because leaving any of these products in your hair can affect your hair in the long run, especially if you're not aware that it's still in there. You're mixing that with other products, and that's not good for you. So make sure you're only leaving products that are meant to be left in your hair. What is the longest that y'all have kept your braids or protective style in? Like, this was the longest time for me. I've never had my protective style in for 3 months at a time. And it really helped my hair grow a lot. Like, I wish I had a before picture and an after picture to show y'all. But having those knotless braids in really helped my hair. And I can't wait to get them put back in. Like, I think this is just going to be my go-to. And I'm probably just going to let my hair rest. And this time I'll make sure to take better care of it while I have my braids in. Like I said, y'all, I did use the OGX Beauty products as a set. So I always use the shampoo and conditioner matching sets together. And I've never had any issues with them, but I have heard people say that it dried their hair out or that their hair fell out. And I've been using these products for years and I've never experienced anything negative. So I would say try different ones and see which ones might work better for you. If you're a curly haired girl, I suggest trying the curly one that they have. And I'll try to post a picture on here for y'all. Make sure you're using a detangler brush when you're detangling your hair, ladies. Even finger combing your hair works wonders. I absolutely love finger combing my hair rather than the detangler brush, only because I feel like the detangler brush really pulls those knots. But, I mean, that's what it's supposed to do. So, if you're tender-headed like me, try the finger combing first and then go in with the detangler brush. And it might not be so bad that way. Another thing that helps when you're washing your natural hair is to go in sections. I did not really do that in this video, but I'll make an updated, more detailed video for you all when I'm not in such a rush, showing you how I separate my hair and part it, and actually wash my hair in sections. It works wonders. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. It is a little bit more time consuming, but it will be worth it in the long run. I promise. All right, y'all. So we are basically done at this point. I'm just going in with that HASKS coconut oil conditioner. And I'm going to let it sit in my hair for about 2 to 3 hours. And then I washed it out. But as you can see, it really helped bring my curls back. And it's not too heavy on the hair. I absolutely love it. I also use this as a leave-in conditioner sometimes too. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon.